Magandang araw mga idol. NBE Resort, December 6, 2024, Friday. First game nagwagi ang Dallas Mavericks laban sa Wizard, 137-101. Luka Doncic nag-triple double, 21 points, 10 rebounds, 10 assists. Samantala si Kyrie Irving ay may 25 points. Cavaliers nilapa ang Denver Nuggets 126-114. Donovan Mitchell ay top scorer, 28 points, 6 rebounds. New York Knicks tinalo ang Hornets 125-101. Si Karl Anthony Towns top scorer na may 27 points at monster 16 rebounds. Thunder pinadapa ang Raptors 129-92. Si Shai Gilgeous-Alexander ang bumida na may 30 points, 4 rebounds, 5 assists. New Orleans Pelicans pinahupa ang Phoenix Suns 126-124. Brandon Ingrams ang namuno na may 29 points, 7 rebounds, 3 assists. Chicago Bulls sinuwag ang Spurs 139-124. Nikola Vucevic ang nag-top scorer, 39 points, 8 rebounds at 5 assists. Grizzlies kinilaw, inalisan ng Corona ang Kings 115-110. Si Desmond Bean ang top scorer, 18 points, 8 rebounds, 7 assists. Ja Morant ejected sa laro. At panghuli, Warriors pinasabog ang Rockets 99-93. Jonathan Kuminga top scorer, may 33 points, 6 rebounds at 2 assists. No Stephen Curry, no problem para sa Warriors. Pinutol na nila ang kanilang losing streak. Thanks for watching mga katribo.